My name's Rachel and I'm the Product Development and Marketing Manager here at Patio Essentials. And today I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean your AquaFlame fountain core in order to keep it running smoothly. So first up here, we're going to take out the AquaFlame core. This one we actually have been using for a little while, so the essential oils in the AquaFlame do start to kind of gum up a little bit over time and cause the core to get a little bit sticky. So if this happens, we do recommend that you just clean your AquaFlame core monthly in order to keep it nice and clean and keep it running really smoothly. Even if you aren't using your AquaFlame every single day, if you aren't dumping out the oil and the water in between uses, it still can start to cause a little bit of buildup. So we do recommend, no matter what, just keeping up with the cleaning cycle monthly. So the first step here is actually you're going to want to remove the AquaFlame flange from your fountain core, and we're also going to take off the dome as well. And before we actually get started into the cleaning process, I will say if you've been noticing that your AquaFlame core, only the LED portion is turning on and the pump hasn't been working for you, I do have a couple tips for you to try in order to alleviate that issue. So let's go ahead and jump into that first before diving into the cleaning cycle. All right, so this part right here is the outlet of the fountain's pump. So once your water is hot, you want to place your AquaFlame under the faucet and let the water run through the outlet to backflush the pump. So water is going to run down into the outlet and then turn the pumping mechanism called the impeller to free it up. So you're going to want to let the water fill to the minimum fill line and then try turning it back on. If the fountain still doesn't turn on, you're going to leave your AquaFlame fountain core running and set it on the countertop. Grab a toothpick and use it to push down on the impeller. That should get your fountain running again, and then you're ready to continue on with the cleaning process. All right, so once your water is hot, you're going to want to grab your AquaFlame core and you're going to fill up your core to the minimum water line. Once that's filled, you're going to just add in a drop of your dish soap. And then you're going to replace your dome and the flange. Then you're going to turn your AquaFlame core back on, and pretty quickly you're going to be able to start to see that soap will start to sud, and you're going to want to use your remote to set your AquaFlame for 1 hour to allow it to clean. So this core that I have right here, I've allowed it to run on the cleaning cycle for about 15 minutes. So you'll see that it's getting pretty sudsy. The suds are rising to the top of the dome here, and then you can see they're pushed back down, which it allows a nice cleaning action. So after you've allowed your core to run for 1 hour, it's going to be nice and clean again, and you're going to be able to use your AquaFlame once again. All right, so my timer is off here. It's run through the hour cleaning cycle, so it's ready to be used again. So we're gonna take off the flange on the top. Then I'm also going to remove the dome here as well. We're just going to dump out the water here. And then you're gonna wanna turn your water back on, and you're just going to clean it out until all of the soap suds are gone. All right, now that my core is all nice and clean, I am just going to refill it with some distilled water here. You're just going to want to fill it to the minimum fill line. And then I'm going to add in some essential oils. I'm using lemon. I'm just going to pour in a few drops here. And then I am going to replace the dome as well as the flange. I'm going to turn it back on using the power button on the bottom and just replace it back into my decorative vessel. Thanks so much for watching today, and I hope this was helpful.